Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the minimal prerequisites: a meta viewport and the Bootstrap CSS CDN in your head, then the JS bundle before body close. Once done, scaffold a basic layout using a container, one row and responsive call classes like column_d6 to split columns. Make sure to keep HTML semantic tags. This improves accessibility and predictable styling. You're already writing usable layout. Now save and open in the browser to see the grid in action. You now apply components and utility classes to build UI quickly. Use: BTN, BTN primary for buttons, card for boxed content, and utilities like deflex and justify content between to align elements without custom CSS. Once done, combine spacing classes, P3, M2, and text utilities for fast, consistent spacing and typography. Make sure to use responsive column classes like colsm and column_d to control layout per breakpoint. You finish by testing and polishing. Check responsiveness in the browser and tweak classes until the layout behaves across viewports. Once done, inspect elements to trace unwanted styles. Bootstrap conflicts typically come from order or higher specificity rules, so make sure Bootstrap loads before custom CSS. If components don't look right, clear cache or disable extensions, and verify you included the JS bundle for interactivity. A quick fix: swap to the CDN link to rule out local build issues and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.